Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the project ready. Ensure Node and NPM or Yarn are present and your project has package. JSON. Once done, install Bootstrap with npm install Bootstrap or add the CDN link inside your HTML head to save time. Then make sure to import or reference bootstrap/dist/css/bootstrap. Min. CSS in your app entry so styles load first. This immediate step wires Bootstrap into your workflow and lets you apply themes and components without extra configuration. You now integrate the theme, decide between a custom SCSS build, a purchased theme CSS, or using variable-based theming. If you use SCSS, import bootstrap/SCSS/bootstrap. SCSS and override variables in a separate file before that import so your color and spacing changes take effect. Then run your bundler to compile. If you prefer pre-built CSS, replace or append the theme CSS after Bootstrap so it overrides defaults. This gives you predictable visual control and reusable component styling. You finish by testing the UI across breakpoints and verifying classes align with the theme's expectations. Once done, confirm CSS load order. Theme CSS must follow base Bootstrap CSS, otherwise your overrides won't apply. If something still looks wrong, clear your browser cache and inspect computed styles to find conflicting rules. Make sure to fix by adjusting SCSS variables or increasing selector specificity rather than piling on. Important, because that keeps your theme maintainable and predictable when you update Bootstrap later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.